10 over 10. 10 over 10. A little bit of camera. Guys, I'm just making a quick egg recipe. I have some kale here, some purple onion, and habanero pepper. That's all. I'm gonna reduce the heat, and I'm gonna add the egg. So I have the egg here, a little bit of Cameroon peppers, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water in it. Let's add the water. I'm gonna pour it in. There we go. Here we go, 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 go. Here we go, go, go. So now I'm going to stir it together. I'm going to add a bit of salt and seasoning cube. So it's just a quick style egg, so you could add your seasoning cube before it even starts cooking. So for the oil base, I actually added olive oil and I added some sesame oil. Okay, it almost looks like vegetable egusi soup. So I had a lot of kale in it and just 2 eggs. I pretty much wanted more of the vegetable. I'm just cleaning around the frying pan because I used it to fry eggs for my kids, but their style was different from mine. You don't have to let it overcook, so I'm gonna taste. Man, it's spicy, nice and crunchy. So it's up to you if you want like more eggs, you want it to be more eggy. You could add more eggs, but I just added 3 leaves of kale and 2 eggs. That's it. Nice. So I'm gonna try, guys. 10 over 10. 10 over 10. Oh my god. I'll grab a plate and I'll serve myself. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you so much for your continued support. God bless you. Bye.